Start with the name of Allah, who is kind and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you students. Hope you are fine. God bless you all. Today we discuss our chapter number 2 of Computer Science class 10. The name of chapter is Programming in C language, one of the most important chapter of computer science. In this tutorial, students will be able to know about what is meant by program, syntax and semantic, computer programming, and programming languages. First of all, we discuss about the program. What is meant by program? A computer program is a set of instructions. You can say that a computer program is a collection of instructions that can be executed by a computer. Why execute? To perform a specific task. A computer program is usually written by a computer programmer in a programming language. A computer programmer can write any program in a programming language with the help of some special syntax in a programming language. Basically, computer program control the operations of a computer. Here we can say that just for another information, the combination of different programs make a software. Yani we can say that the combination of programs make a software, and softwares help the hardwares of computer, which tells the computer what to do and how to do. So we can say that computer program control the operations of a computer. Computer languages are also known as a programming languages, and any program known written in a programming language. Next very important topic is syntax and semantic. Syntax is the set of rules and regulation which are used in a programming language for write a program. If we violate any syntax and rules of for a program, it means a program have different types of errors and they cannot run, and compiler shows as error. So syntax must be followed by a programmer when he write any program. Syntax refer to a concept in writing code dealing with a very specific set of words and specific order to those words which we give in the computer instruction. So we can say that the syntax is directly relevant with coding as well as set of words and also the specific words which are used to help to make a program. We can say that these words as a result word. Here is a one example for understanding the syntax. It means syntax is to code like grammar is to English. What is the relationship between grammar and English? Same relationship is between syntax and program. Without syntax, we cannot write any program correctly. Next one is semantic. As we know, syntax refers to the structure of a program written in a programming language. But on the other hand, semantic describe the relationship. As we described in a previous slide, semantic describe the relationship between the sense of program and the computational model. For example, as your book example is sum equal to a plus b, we can say that a plus b store in a sum, so it is a semantic. Here is a one example. For example, in C++ or C, a variable s is declared as int s. It means s is a variable and int is its data type. Now in the end, you can see instead of using integer, we have initialized it with 7. For example, in the end of the example, int s equal to 7. It means s is a variable and int is a data type and 7 is stored in a s, so it is a correct. In this second, int s equal to 7. 7 do not store in a s. Why? Because 7 is not a integer value. Same example is explained here but semantically incorrect because 7 does not represent in integer form. So semantic is very important as well as syntax in a program. Then very important topic, computer programming. Computer programming is the process of writing a computer program in computer language to solve a particular problem. Computer program control the operations of a computer and it is developed in a computer language to perform a specific task as we written at it in a previous slide. Computer languages are also known as programming languages. In a computer language, there are different types of programming languages. Now here we discuss about the two basic categories of programming languages. First one is low-level languages. Low-level languages are those types of languages which is easily understandable by the computer system but difficult for the user. Low-level languages is a machine-oriented language. Understand low-level language detailed knowledge of internal working of a computer system. As we know, as we describe it, a low level is a computer friendly language, not a user friendly language. Low level language include machine language and assembly language. It is also to be known as a binary language as well as digital language. High-level language. High-level languages are those types of languages which are easily understandable by the user of computer and but difficult for the computer system. Why user friendly? Because high-level languages are user-friendly and use English words. For example, go to printf, scanf. These types of words used in this language. High-level language classified into main another categories structured language as well as object-oriented programming language. In next tutorial, we briefly explain again the categories of programming languages. The question for your assignments are: what is computer program? What is difference between syntax and semantic with the help of example? Define computer programming language and their categories. Thank you so much. If you have any query, ask your question in your WhatsApp group.